research lines in our lab is focusing on the chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Recently, a master thesis investigated the effect of using educational booklets or videos to perform supervised pulmonary telerehabilitation in patients with COPD had just finished. In this study, participants with confirmed diagnosis of COPD were recruited and randomly allocated into control group, booklet group, or booklet plus video group. According to group design, the researcher provided the participants the health education booklet or home exercise video to guide the participants to perform in home-based pulmonary rehabilitation exercise programs. The booklet provided the educational information included the practice of the corrected breathing strategies, the maintenance of lung hygiene and self-caring techniques. As for the home exercise, the researcher determined the appropriated muscle training program video for participants according to their exercise capacity, and provided the suggested resistance for participants to practice the intermittent resisted exercise programs at home. The effect of interventions was determined by pulmonary function, cardiopulmonary exercise performance, muscle strength, 6-minute walking distance, and health-related quality of life. The other research line in our lab is obstructive sleep apnea, which is a common sleep-related breathing disorder. In present study, we recruited participants who were diagnosed with OSA and received the transoral robotic surgery to remove the excessive tissue of tongue base. The intervention provided the myofunctional therapeutic training for the participants to train their oropharyngeal muscle force. For the assessment, we evaluated the daytime awareness and jaw opening power from different directions. This project is now cooperated with Department of Ear, Nose and Throat, and Sleep Medicine Center of NCKU Hospital. Therefore, we could also integrate the data of polysomnography and magnetic resonance imaging to get a much clearer view of how our intervention achieved the improvement. As for the basic medical science, we focus on the pain control and neurological physiology. A previous study conducted in our lab used ultrasound combined with treadmill exercise to treat the chronic constriction injury of sciatic nerve. An animal model mimics the neurological disorder of sciatica in human. The assessments of behavior using thermal stimulus and mechanical stimulus to test for thermal hyperalgesia and mechanical hypersensitivity. For the change of molecular biology, we test for the amount of several inflammatory cytokines. The results suggested that ultrasound combined with treadmill exercise could significantly improve the symptoms of neuropathic pain. And the study has been published in the International Journal Anesthesia and Analgesia.